Hey learners, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on importance of management. Before we start the video, it's a humble request. Please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I come up with any video, you will directly get the notification. And don't forget to watch my previous video on management where we have seen what is management, why is it so important. We have seen the definition given by authors for management. In this video, we will see the importance of management. So let's start today's video. In importance of management, the first point we have, it helps in achieving group goals. How it helps in achieving group goal? Management bring all the resources such as men, money, machine, material all together. It directs all activities or all the effort toward predetermined goal. Okay, by setting clear objective, it also avoid wastage of time, money, and effort. When you know what you have to do, okay, when you get a proper command, when you get a proper organizing, when you see that there is a proper direction, there is a proper controlling, what happened ultimately people know what they have to do. Whatever resources they are having, they use it in a effective way. Okay, so here this point says that it helps in achieving group goal, and this happens with the help of the available resources. When you use the management, you literally reduces the wastage of time, money, effort, and you uses all the resources in an effective way so that you can achieve organization goal. Okay, second point, we have optimum utilization of resources. When you use management techniques, strategies, management planning, the way organize your stuff so that there is no wastage of time, ultimately what happened? You utilize your resources in a best and effective way. Okay, that's why we say the second importance is optimum utilization of resource. Here, management ensures best use of both your employee and physical resources in an effective way. Okay, it select the most effective way of using available resources with experts and professional. It ensures no wastage and no underemployment of people or machine take place. Okay, that's why the second point is optimum utilization of resources. Third point, reduce cost. Through proper planning and coordination, maximum results are achieved with minimum output. We know that if you plan better, you know what you have to do the next, so there is no delay, there is no wastage of time. Okay, that's why ultimately your cost also improve, your cost become better because there is no wastage of time or resources. Then ultimately your production goes smoothly and unnecessary cost doesn't add up. Okay, so we can say best combination of resources such as human, physical resources, financial resources reduces unnecessary expenditure and ultimately the cost become low. That's why the third important point is reduces cost. Fourth, establishes sound organization. Management builds a proper organizational structure with clear authority and responsibility. No overlapping of work is seen. Everyone knows who is their superior, to whom they have to report, who is their subordinate, what are their duties. So there is no mistakes, there is no overlapping of work, there is no conflict. Okay, everyone knows what they have to do, to whom they have to report. Here, the right person are placed in the right job with required skill and training. That's why we see that there is a sound organization. The organization works smoothly and effectively. Fifth point, we have management maintains equilibrium. Okay, we may have seen that there are day to day the market is changing, day to day client's taste, preferences, your customer taste, your customer choices keep on changing. There is new competitor every single day. A new competitor comes in the market with new taste, with new challenges. Okay, so how you will maintain your position in the market until unless you know what's going on outside your organization, until unless you know what your competitors are offering to your customer. Okay, that's why we say management help you to maintain equilibrium, where it helps the organization to adapt to changes in the environment like market demand, technology, and society's need. The flexibility ensures survival and growth in a changing world. That's why management help you to get this flexibility so that you can survive and you can create, you can maintain a equilibrium. Okay, sixth point we have essential for prosperity of society. Okay, these days we all know that the goal of management is not only to make profit but also to contribute in society, so that you may have known about CSR, corporate social responsibility. It's a way they can reduce their tax. Okay, it's a way that they show that they're not making that much profit because they are contributing in developing the society. They are contributing in providing welfare to the society. Okay, so the sixth point says essential for prosperity of society, where efficient management means better production, higher standard of living, and welfare of people. It reduces wastage of resources, and it creates employment opportunity by introducing new products and innovation. It contributes the progress of society as a whole. Okay, when we talk about the prosperity of society, what contribution any company is giving to the society? First, they are generating employment. People are getting salary from there. They are creating a welfare to the people. They are helping them to have a higher standard of living with their salary. Okay, they are also helping in treatment of the waste resources. Like you have seen so many factories. Okay, before they drain their waste into the drainage, what they do is they treat those waste so that the aqua life, or you can say the water bodies, doesn't get harmed from those chemicals and stuff. Okay, so here company not only make profit but also think about the society, also provide benefits to the society. That's why we say that management is essential for prosperity of society. In short, management is equal to goal achievement plus resource utilization plus cost reduction plus strong organization plus adaptability plus social welfare. Okay, so yeah, this was all about today's video, where we have seen the importance of management. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then don't forget to give a thumb up and let me know your opinion in comment box. If you want me to come up with another video or some relevant topics of MBA or BBA, then please let me know so that I can come up with relevant video. Now I will take leave from you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.